Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gigi.
Show her what you're making her. What is that?
A birthday cake for Gigi.
It's a birthday cake?
Yeah,
Oh, are you going to put candles in it now?
yeah.
Okay.
But these candles in it. I'll put this candle in it
Mm-hmm.
and this candle in it.
Message from
There.
Matt Allen.
She's older than that. You may want a few more candles. You may want to break some of those candles in half. You're going to need a bunch. Right, Gigi? You going to sing her happy birthday?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Want to sing it with me?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gigi.
Dear Gigi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Gigi. It's